Hello friends, I am your kitchen companion and today's recipe is mango pickle. So let's get started. First step is to get raw mangoes. Wash it properly, cut the front and back and then cut the mango in the middle and remove its seed. Now the mango has to be cut into small pieces. Remember not to peel this mango for this recipe. Take a bowl and marinate the mangoes with salt and turmeric. Cover this bowl and leave this mixture as such for the next 2 days. After 2 days you could see that all the water from these mangoes has squeezed out. Remember not to use any steel bowls for marination. This will spoil the taste of the pickle and damage the steel as well. The next step is to dry the mangoes under the sun. For that, take a flat tray or a plate. Place the mango pieces along with the squeezed water on the plate in such a way that the inner part of the mango faces the sun. It is better to cover the plate with a thin cloth or a muslin cloth to protect from dust. Continue this process for 2 days with 5 to 6 hours of sun exposure. Now the time has come to prepare the spices or the masalas. You need to individually dry roast the masalas for 10 to 15 seconds each. First is mustard seeds, next is fennel seeds or saunf, next is fenugreek seeds or methi dana, the last one is kalonji or onion seeds. Put all this together and grind it to a powder. Remember the powder should be thick and the particles should not be very fine. Add this powder to the mango mixture and coat it evenly. Remember to add salt and red chili powder as per your taste to this mixture. Then keep this mixture aside. In the meanwhile, boil some mustard oil in a pan. As the oil starts boiling, switch off the burner and keep the oil aside to cool down. Pour this oil to the mango mixture and mix it properly. Now transfer this mixture to a glass jar and cover it. Add more oil to the bottle. The quantity of oil should be such that it should cover the mango mixture fully in the bottle. Now keep this mixture under the sun for another 10 days. This will make the mango soft, which will surely melt in your mouth. Do try this at home and let me know how it turns out to be in the comment section. To like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much.